Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with another tech video. God dang, Josh Tech Gamer, you're putting out so many videos. Now, a reason I'm doing another video, because yes, Friday, this video will probably be uploaded tomorrow. Making it short, it's going to be my 1 week with my desk, my new desk. Well, kind of say my desk setup, so basically my new desk. So I just wanted to let you guys know, what do I think about the desk after a week and stuff, and what do I think about it, how much time I've been spending editing, making videos, actually gaming and stuff. So yeah, I just want to let you guys know this was the best investment that I can do. Now, if you guys are looking for a desk setup, or if you guys want to get what I have or anything, if you guys want to, you know, I'll put the description below where you guys can get the tabletop, the Alex drawers, and etc. So yeah, so real quick, just gonna let you know it's not cheap. So I didn't mention this before, but the tabletop is about $200. Now they do have a 74-inch and they do have a 98-inch one. I think 98-inch is going to cost a little more than $200, but I have seen people get 74 and cut it in half or on the sides and make it shorter. So I have seen that. So if you guys have access to cutting a desk in half, go for it. The only thing about cutting in half, I kind of worry about getting split and kind of having those chips peel up and stuff, and you know, not that fresh cut. But if you have someone who could cut it for you, that'd be great. Now the Alex drawers are great. Now I got the black, and the other reason I got the black is because the other ones were sold out because of the whole COVID-19 thing. So I'm glad I went black. I did leave a little bit of gap on each side because I didn't want them all the way out, because I wanted to put the boom arm, or if I could put like accessory arms, lighting and stuff on the back, I could be able to attach it. So yeah, that's why I kind of did that, for that reason. So far it's looking really good. So I mean, yeah, the wood looks really natural, more with the environment and stuff. You know, got some plants here and stuff. So yeah, most definitely. And then, so I'll put down the desk down below, and I'll put down these little plants. I won't put down my whole setup because I did it in the previous videos. You guys want to check it out. So yeah, the height was a little low and I was a little skiffy about that, but I'm comfortable with it now and it's just right. So I'm kind of elevated. So once I get my new chair, it'll be 100% better. So yeah, so the 74 inches length by 24 width is perfect, and yeah, I would say about 2 inches thick. So pretty good sturdy piece of wood. So the bottom, I did mount all the power strips underneath, run the channel races behind it, and make sure when you put the channel races up, make sure they're facing that way so you could run the wires in. So yeah, I had plenty of that. So plenty of room. I wanted outlets, and I also got USB. I'll put down the description below the channel races and the power outlets too, just those and stuff. And the lights are much better. They're not flickering like crazy because I think the desk wasn't all the way, and plus those RGB lights I had were a little bit cheaper. So these Govee lights, I'll put down the description below of that too, just letting you guys know, are a lot better. Now I noticed some of the colors don't give me the real color, like orange. It gives me kind of like a let's just show you. So yeah, you guys can kind of see it's kind of purple. So if I go orange, it's kind of like a yellowish. So if I go to the color wheel, and it does go red. So yeah, it does look like a yellow. That's only the color that I'm kind of like, you know, I got the red, and then I got the blue, and then I got the purple. I do like the purple, honestly. The blue is also actually pretty cool. So yeah, so I just want to let you guys know that. So they are good, and they work with the phone. I like it. I can set it as a timer and go to bed, and it turns off automatically and stuff. So maybe I'll do a separate video on that and tell you guys. But yeah, other than that, the desk is great. It's been 1 week. I'm loving it. I'm gonna be enjoying it a lot. So if you guys are inspired to do your desk setups and stuff, yeah, let me know in the comments. And also I have a Discord. If you guys want to follow me, type in the comments Discord. I'll send you the link because it's always updating, it's changing. And then you could go in and put your setup and stuff in my channel. And if you got a YouTube channel or any kind of videos you want to promo, I do have a self promo. So yeah, so I'm telling you, dude, there's so much space and so much room on the desk. and stuff. So I could be here all day just gaming and stuff. So I know you guys are all like, Josh, I'd be there all day playing Fortnite or whatever, Apex or Valorant. There's a new one, Hyperspace. I just saw that. Chris is streaming it right now. So yeah, so I'm just telling you, I love the desk. It was the best investment to do. The cable management was a pain. Oh my god, it was so much of a pain. And the thing with the Alex drawers on both ends, they were a pain to put together. It did take me 2.5 hours, about 2 hours and 20 minutes. So an hour and 10 minutes on each drawer. There is a girl that posted a video on YouTube. She has over 1 million subs or whatever. She actually shows you how to do it step by step, and she totally saved me. So thank you so much. You know, she's a big time YouTuber. I don't know her channel, but if you type in Alex Drawers Assemble, she'll pop right up. She's in the very top. So she walked me through it. I didn't even have to read the instructions, and she showed me step by step how to do it. So yeah, so I just want to just tell you guys that. So I'm loving it. Love the wallpaper engine. I'm ready for Cyberpunk 2077. I'm ready for that. See, hopefully it runs on my PC. I think it will, because I'm still playing games over 100 FPS. Besides Fortnite, I just want to let you guys know. So I know Cyberpunk's going to take a lot of juice to play that game, you know, a lot of PC power. So yeah, so that's about it, guys. I also put a little candle over there, kind of giving a nice little cozy thing and stuff. Might be adding some more RGB lights behind the monitor now that I can get an extension. So yeah, thanks a lot, guys, for watching. Enjoy the B-roll. I'm gonna do some good B-roll right now. Do that crisp 4K. So, all right, guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll check you guys later.